Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a to-do list from a template in Google Sheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to docs.google.com, and if you don't get taken directly to the Google Sheets page, you want to select the hamburger icon on the top left that says Main Menu. Left click on that and then select Sheets. Should be a template gallery up here at the top. You can select a to-do list from here. You can also select the template gallery button right here, and you can expand it to then locate the to-do list template underneath personal. So go ahead and just select the to-do list to open it up. And then at this point, go ahead and modify your to-do list. And you can also adjust the name of the file by modifying it up here at the top. You see it does come with checkboxes in here as well, so you can go ahead and cross off items as you complete them. So definitely a nice little feature, guys. You can also select the little plus icon at the bottom to go ahead and add a new sheet. And you can even copy and paste the formatting over to other sheets in here as well. Up here, the top right of the third column, you can left click on that and you can sort by A to Z depending on the task name. Sort by color. You can also adjust different filters in here as well. So you can filter by conditions if they're over certain values or letters or whatnot. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.